Welcome back everyone. Once again I am ready with one more video based on determiners. In the last two videos of determiners, I have tried to tell you the 8 classes of determiners, which includes adjectives too. But there are students who have doubts what is the difference between adjective and determiner, because they both look alike. So let me tell you about it in detail. Determiners are words which comes before nouns. They contain classes of words including pronouns and adjectives. They limit the noun by giving additional information. They show whether a noun refers to is general or a specific object, person or place. Determiners indicate which or how many things the noun refers to. They define or limit a noun to the singular or plural. They tell about the quantity or amount of the noun. Determiners and nouns together make noun phrases. Noun phrases with adjectives also are made. Determiners precede numerals too. Let me show you the difference between these two. Determiners do not describe a noun. So the definition of adjective is it qualifies a noun. It describes a noun. But determiners do not describe. They determine or point it out. See the examples here. The child, every boy, some politicians, his picture, my house, those trees, no politician, and some people. So the words before the nouns are not adjectives, but these are determiners. So all these, the, every, some, his, my, those, no, and some are determiners. Adjective is used to limit the application of a noun by giving description, by giving information about the size, color, age. For example, big cat, black dog, old man. And determiner is used to limit the application of a noun without describing it. We don't know anything about the quality of the noun, such as this table, my room, many houses. Now I am going to start one game. All of you should be ready with your CW notebooks. There you have to make 2 columns, one for adjectives and the other for determiners. I am going to give you 30 noun phrases in which some of them will go to adjectives and some will go to determiners. So you have to just underline the determiner or adjective given here, and you have to write in correct column. Like first one, beautiful garden. So beautiful, it is adjective or determiner, you have to write in that column. Several towns, several, you have to decide which column you have to write. Okay, so let us start. Beautiful garden, several towns, thin notebooks, your house, wonderful roads, every girl, fantastic buildings, fresh milk, many buses, some sugar, that book, blue sky, those pencils, old chair, red rose, all men, tall trees, each boy, delicious food, no work, any bag, those pens, his bicycle, green lawns, hot tea, new car, happy men, fast pitches, much water, and her doll. So I hope you have selected which one is adjective and which one is determiner. The one which is telling about the quality, describing the noun, is adjective. So now it is time to tell you the right answers. And here before your eyes, the answer is this one. So in 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 12, 14, 15, 17, 19, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. In these numbers, in these serial numbers, the words before the nouns are adjectives. And 2, 4, 6, 9, 10, 11, 13, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 29 and 30. Here the words used before a noun are actually determiners. You can see the difference. Beautiful, it's a describing word. Thick, wonderful, fantastic, fresh, blue, old, all these are describing words. Red, tall, delicious, green, hot, new, happy, fast, all these are describing, so that's why it is adjective. And as per the rule, the determiners are telling about the specific number or specific quality, like several, your, every, many, some, that, those, all, each, no, any, those, his, much, her. So I hope you have got 30 out of 30. Do share me your marks. Now one more small activity. Here you have to fill up the blanks with suitable determiners, and the blanks are: I have met dash people in my life, dash person who has influenced me dash most is Mother Teresa, full stop. To me she has been dash, symbol of true religion. Dash people can do what she has done. If we adopt dash ideology, the world would become better place to live in. So you have to select the determiners to fill up the blanks. Take your time, fill up. Just write down A, B, C, D, E, F, and in front of that write down the correct answer which you think is right. Let me help you, or we can both guess. I have met can be some people, many people in my life. Then person, which person who has influenced me, which most, so can be a person, the person, and person is Mother Teresa. To me she has been, yes, guess, few, some, many, like this. Okay, I think it is time to tell you the right answer. The right answers are: first one is many, B, the, C, the, D, a, E, few, and F, her. See, I have met many people in my life. The person who has influenced me the most is Mother Teresa. To me she has been a symbol of true religion. Few people can do what she has done. If we adopt her ideology, the world would become a better place to live in. This is the answer. And this is the time to say thank you. Success is on the same road as failure. Success is just a little further down the road. So hope you have enjoyed today's activity and understood what is determiner. Thanks for the watch.